Hello Libra, welcome to Clegent Tarot. We are doing a quick mid-month check-in for the month of August today. I'll be looking at two energies for you. One, the overall energy at this point of time. Second, we will be looking at any advice and from either spirits or universe for you regarding the situation or the energy that comes out. And we'll close it off with a couple of oracle cards as the final message. These are short readings. We are not going too deep into clarifying things. Let's get started. You have two very big energies come in as your overall energy. Let's keep going. Okay. So you have been in your own world, Libra, for a while. This might have come from your need to seek balance. Maybe there was a lot of chaos around you, and with the Tower and the King of Cups. So this King of Cups, they are very calm, centered in their own emotions within themselves. But if you see around them, there's a lot going on, right? There's this fish, there's this bowl sinking into the water, there's a starfish. So there's a lot of chaos around this person, but yet they are very calm and centered in themselves. This is probably that something that you have been working on in the recent past. With the Hermit also, you might have been going within a lot, but there's some major change that's going to come, and this change is going to be dramatic, which will change your status quo on where you are today, right? This Tower energy doesn't always have to be negative. This can be a positive change. It's just that it's going to be sudden for you. Most likely this is going to lead you to a more stable, harmonious place, but you have to trust your intuition, especially the emotional intelligence you have developed here as King of Cups, and the wisdom you have gained as the Hermit. You have to keep that with you, and when this change comes, adapt to it. I know it's not the ideal kind of a situation for a Libra, but you have a big change coming in. Let's see what's your advice. Yes, see another fast change energy. Okay, Two of Cups. So this Tower is probably a creation of your own doing. You have been avoiding something or going with this Hermit energy and King of Cups, where you are so centered within yourself. You have been neglecting a situation which has been stuck, and it is a situation which is of high significance in your life. This can be a relationship which is very close, important to you. It can be a very close friend, it can be a family member, it can be in workspace, it can be a colleague that you are highly dependent on, and you have been ignoring some kind of a situation here, which is going to change very very fast with the Knight of Swords, and that's what's bringing you the Tower moment. I think the message here is very clear with the Hangman. Get unstuck, look at things from a fresh perspective. Things might be changing, and you might have this apprehension that they'll not change in your favor, but you can't always control the output of things. By going within, you are neglecting what you can do here to bring or help things work in your favor, right? If you are withdrawn, then the things will happen the way they have to, and you're actually letting go of your free will in this process, right? You always have free will, and you can actually work towards changing the output. If you're afraid that things will not work out your way, look at what are the possibilities that you can work on to change that output, right? So not an ideal situation, Libra, but I think there's a lot of work for you to do. You have been shying away from something, and it's time that you step out and embrace it. So let's see what the Oracle of the Fairies have for you. Okay, we have life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine the light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. I think this came up earlier also for one of the signs. You might have someone who is going through a similar situation around you. So what the universe is asking you is to have a more uplifting energy around you. uh, and again, like it says, right, to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. So if there is a situation that needs to be healed, worked on, you need to step out and uh, face it. That's the message that I'm getting here. Let's see what the Moonology deck has to say for you. Okay, we have full moon in Pisces, balance, spirituality and practicality. So yes, Libra, you do seek balance, right? You always need to have that centered kind of a feeling, otherwise the world doesn't make sense to you. We also have believe in the impossible blue moon. So you might be thinking that there's no way out of this situation, but there actually is. You all you need to do is believe and gain that perspective here, and you will be able to find a way out of whatever troubled waters you are in. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope this helped. Do let me know in the comments below what worked for you from this reading, and do like, subscribe, so that I get to know you are liking my content and I can bring you more. Okay? That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Bye.